China had already been tough on some of the mining operations, limiting their ability to operate. And so this is just another piece.
Crypto seems to always be in the news for either for good or for ill, usually in my mind for ill. But why don't we talk about what's been happening now? Bitcoin, and talk a little bit about crypto too, but walk us through how you see things playing out.
Well, I mean, Bitcoin is the one that's in people's in minds most often. And so China has some news recently where the government is limiting the ability for people to trade or clear transactions. And so that really just takes a big chunk of supply and demand out of the picture. China had already been tough on some of the mining operations, limiting their ability to operate. And so this is just another piece. And so people are looking at that and wondering if that has an impact on demand. I don't think anybody really knows what drives crypto assets. We don't have the same sort of sense of that as we do with, company stocks that are reporting financials and, have assets that drive cash flow. But because a lot of the crypto asset space is speculative, but right now crypto assets are in decline, and they've broken down below $30,000 US, or Bitcoin has. And so that has been a bit of a level that people have been watching. And so now that it had broken down below, people are wondering now what's the next stop. And we're seeing some news, some public figures are saying that they're selling, and there's some positive stuff out there as well. I think El Salvador is in the news talking about how they're going to allow Bitcoin to be a legal tender in the country. And so there's a mix of things, but it looks like the balance is to the negative. And I would point to China as the big factor there.
Yeah,
where it's going to go, anybody's guess.
Yeah, I've never, that's never been my bag, but it's always been interesting to watch. Hey, well, why don't we wrap it up there?